Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Before us is this question, and which says if 465 centimeter cube of sulphur oxide can diffuse through porous partition in 30 seconds, how long will 620 centimeter cube of hydrogen sulphide will take to diffuse through the same partition? Now recall that in Graham's law of diffusion, the rate of diffusion for the first gas over second gas equals to the square root of the inverse of their masses. Alright, it's okay. Let's represent R1 for the rate of reaction, or for the rate through which it passes through this porous, or diffuses through the porous partition. So now let us find the rate, and the rate is given as volume over time, and the volume here is 465 now over 30. Now this will give us that this is 46.5 over 3. That's cancelling out this 3, this 0, and bring your decimal to this point. That is 1. So here we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. Now remainder 1. In 16 is 5, remainder 1. In 1 impossible, and in 15 we still have what? 5. Alright, so the rate here will now be 15.5 centimeter cube per second. Okay, all right, now this is the rate for sulphur oxide. Now we ask that how long will 620 centimeter cube of hydrogen sulfide take to diffuse through the same partition. All right, now let us find the molecular mass of sulfur here. And we are given that sulfur here now will give us 32 plus 16 times 2, which will give us 32 plus 32, which will give us 64 gram. Okay, and that for hydrogen sulfide, the mass of hydrogen sulfide here will now be is 1 times 2 plus 32. So here we have that 2 plus 32, which will give us 34. Alright, now using this formula here, so here we have this 15.5 over R2, which is the rate of diffusion for hydrogen sulfide gas. Now the mass of hydrogen sulfide gas is 34 over 64, and this will give us 15.5 over R2, now equals to the square root of 34 over 8. Alright, moving further, so here we now have that 15.5 over R square. Now by my calculator, now the square root of 34 will give us 5.8, then all over 8. Now cross multiplying, we have that R will give us 15.5 times 8 over 5.8. Alright, with this, that the rate of diffusion of the rate of diffusion of hydrogen gas will now be, let me punch my calculator and get back. So the whole of this will now be 21.2 centimeter cube per second. Alright, now let us recall that the rate of diffusion equals to volume over T, which is the time, and here we've gotten that the value of our rate of diffusion is 21.2. Now the volume 620 over T. So T here will now be 620 over 21.2. Now punching my calculator here. Yeah, girl, we have 29.2 seconds. All right. Now this is the final answer. If you love this video, kindly share it to your loved ones and ensure to subscribe and click on to the notification button. Thank you and God bless you.